Change is hard. Change is hard. Well, at least it is at first, and it takes a lot of effort early on in the program. So when I say program, what do I mean? Well, let's talk about a mission. Let's talk about the Space Shuttle. The Space Shuttle used 80% of its energy in the first 90 seconds of launch to get it off the ground. It then used another 15% of its energy to punch through into orbit, and then it used only 5% of its energy to run the rest of the mission. Now, that's a great analogy for change. It was actually coined by Robin Sharma. He said change is really hard in the beginning, messy in the middle, but beautiful at the end. And so most of your energy and effort to change a habit or a way of doing something is going to be up front. You're going to use 80% of your energy to just make that initial shift in your belief systems and in your habits. But once you break through that, once you get used to changing how you're operating, it becomes a beautiful thing. And you overcome that hurdle, and 66 days later, you've got a new habit and life is beautiful.